Hi, welcome to Anything Bikes. This is box 11, video 14, 15 and 16. Can't remember what magazine numbers it is, so we'll have to open the box and see. Deb's here, and yeah, so let's open the box and have a look. Well, exciting, oh my gosh. Right. Wow. Gonna take everything out. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. Right, this is gonna be really interesting. Not that it never is. So, I'm gonna put the box down there. Okay, so they're all in. Oh, so this is the box with the extra issues in. So we've got issue 42 and 43, which we'll do in this one, and then we've got issue 84, 88 and 89. So I think 84, 88 and 89 will be put to one side until we get the rest of the issues and catch up with those three. So we're only doing one video today. Alright then. So this video 14, 42 and 43. And I don't know what belongs to what, so we'll sort it as we go along. It's fine. But that is really exciting. Put them to one side. It's these two. Right, let's have a quick look at what we've got, because I think, I'm not going to open them. I think these look amazing. I don't think we will. I don't know if you can see that with the light. But put that to one side. I think, is this called the fairing or something? I don't know, but yeah. Got two of them. I'm imagining they're the later editions, really. Got hair in my mouth, sorry. Right, what's this? That's something interesting again. Wow. Okay. That looks like a bolt. Maybe it goes through the wheel. Okay. I'll take what's in there. I can't see. But we've got some little things in there. Look at that tiny little bolt thing. Wow. Don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's so cute. Right, so let's have a look. Issue 42. Rossi's 250cc title. After winning the 1997 125cc title, Valentino was ready to move up to the next class of the World Championship racing. Beautiful. Look at that picture. Yay! During the first half of the championship, Valentino was second in the standings behind Yukawa, who led the table thanks to his consistent results. From the German GP onwards, Rossi took over first place and increased his lead until the final victory. Look at his helmet. Oh, lovely. So, 1999 season, it gives, his overall points was 309. I'm not going to read all of that out, but it looks really interesting article. Okay. 1999, Valentino won 9 out of 16 races to reach a total of 309 points. Perfect. And there he does his winning victory. Is it lap or what would you call it? Okay, his winning victory things. So we have right side of the twin spar frame. Okay. In this edition, and then this tells us everything we're going to be doing. Oh, how exciting! Right, and then 2005 season race by race, the USGP. Perfect. Let's get down to business. Get building. I'm assuming this is this. Do you know what I forgot? It's my knife again. My wonderful, beautiful assistant, who's very glamorous, is just going to get my knife. Perfect. Thank you, glamorous assistant. One knife. Let's get down to business. Right, remembered my bin. So, and I'm not going to lose anything this time. Make sure I get everything out. Look at that, that's tiny. I don't need that. Okay, let's undo. Oh, look at that. And it's metal. Wow, that's heavy. Look how big it is in my hands. Look at that. Isn't that wicked? It's got indents in there, so something sits in there. I don't know why I'm trying to make it out because I'm useless. So, yeah, perfect. Okay, then the screws, and then let's see what we got anyway. Okay, so right side of the frame, we got B and knot. Let me just show you how tiny this is. Oh my gosh, look. We don't need to lose that. Put it back in. And we've got 6 Allen screws. Where's this from then? Well, we've got an extra piece. I have no idea what that is, and it doesn't say in the magazine, so I'm going to keep it safe. Okay, let's put it there. But yeah, no, look, right side of frame, look, 6 Allen screws type V, and 1 spare, that's them. Okay, interesting. Let's see what we've got to do. So step 1, we get the engine out again. I love getting the engine out, it's brilliant. Okay, so fit the free end of the tube coming from the right hand side of the cylinder head, indicated by the dotted yellow lines, onto the locating pin near the clutch. As shown in the inset circular photo, if necessary, use a drop of glue to fix the end of the tube. So I think I might need my cocktail stick for this. Okay. Let's get the engines. Weird. We're having camera problems, sorry. Okay. Look at this. do love this. So we have our springy thing. Look, it moves. That's strong, that is. Okay, so they've got that way, and they're talking about this, I think. This one under here, let me move that out of the way. This one, ooh, let's come off. You might need start gluing. Okay, so it's definitely this one, I know that. Let me get mine. I'm going to put this in here because, right, so it's this one. So you can see, don't know if you can see that, but that's this here, and that's that there in the picture, and then it goes up onto there. Right, okay, so that's done. So take the compressed air tank assembly that you put together in issue 39, attach the tank bracket to the engine by pressing its locating pins into the matching holes in the casting as indicated with the circles of the same colour in the main photo. The circular picture shows how the finished assembly should look. Okay, so we need that in our box of twigs. Gonna have to open things, is that it? Yeah, it is. I'm clever. Sometimes. Okay, so it's this. Compressed air tank. It's that way in the picture. Assembly put together and attach the tank bracket to the engine, its locating pins onto the matching holes. So where are they? That's that way. It's there. Let's make sure I've got all the holes in there. 3. 1. Huh? Look. Excellent. Looks like the picture. So, next fit the tube coming from the left hand side of the cylinder head indicated by the dotted line to the locating projecting lower fit from the lower fitting projecting from the two brackets. If necessary, use a drop of glue to secure the end. So that's that. I think that's this one here. It is. So you can see that there. Don't know if you can see it there. there. That's this one. And that is going to the bottom one. This is a fiddler. Oh, that went on nicer. Look. Excellent. So, done that. That goes from there into there. Okay, right. What now? The tube supplied with issue 41, which is 100mm long, fit one end onto the locating pin indicated by the blue circle in the photo. So that is this tube, I think. Well, it's the only tube I've got, so I'm hoping it is. Shall we measure it? It says 100mm. Go on.
Where's your ruler?
Yeah, it's down there.
God, when did your last guy sleep die on?
Just go get it.
I knew I was going to have to do it. Oh,
God, you can't get good stuff nowadays, can you? Oh, Andy's got it out ready for me. Right, so, oh, there's a measurer here.
Oh, do you need it? Do you need it? I don't think you need it, do you?
No!
Oh,
you can take it back now.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Is this a proper measure thing?
Yeah, of course it's a proper measure thing.
No one can see that on camera, though.
Oh, okay.
But never mind. I'm measuring it along this cutting board. Has
1 centimetre squares. Sorry.
So that's 110 actually, which is 100mm long. Oh dear, Christine, come on. So fit one into the locating pin. So we've got these two here. Where's it pointing to? Is it that one there? Yes. Is it? And then it goes. Let's use our tip. I don't think I've put that in as secure. Needs pressing in a bit more. Still a bit loose, look. Don't want to break it though. Okay. Right, so fit the other end into the upper there. So I fitted that in there, which is there. And then I fitted it in there, which is there. Perfect. Step 6, take the frame top brace that you assembled in issue 41, noting which way round the projecting flange should, this is it? Yes, it is. Which way the projecting flange should face. Fit the end of the brace into the socket on the left side of the frame, lining up the small projecting tab with a matching slot at the top of the socket, as indicated by the yellow circle. Press the brace firmly in place, but do not try to secure it permanently at this stage. So, let's try this. We've got this, and that on about there. So, I think they've got it that way round, which they have, which that has come out again. Put that back in there. And they've got it that way. Can you see? that goes in there. We're not fixing it permanently at this stage, and that's just come out. I'll put that there. Has it come out? Yeah. There, okay. Yeah, so it just slides in there brilliantly. After this session, the assembly should look like this. Leave it leaning to the left to prevent the top brace from falling out. It's this one. And save the unused parts you received with this issue for future assembly session. Cool, okay. So, that is issue 42. That was cool. Right. Issue 43. I'm going to put these to one side because I think we'll be doing the rest in this issue. Right. Let's have a look. Rivals at the end of the millennium. Looks really young there, doesn't he? Okay. In his 2 years in the 250cc racing class at the end of the 1990s, Rossi faced some tough opponents. Capirossi in one of the Grand Prix of 1998 season where he won the 250cc class. Lovely. So this article is about 1998-1999 seasons. Lori Capirossi, Shinya Nakano and Tetsuya Harada. Excellent. A rare photo of Valentino Rossi and Toru Yukawa together. There. Harada, leader of the 1998 season in the 250cc class. Perfect. And then, with this issue, we've got that long bolt and the nut. Okay. Looks like we fix it. Oh, got lots. Bloody hell. That looks cool. Wicked. And then, last page. 2005 season race by race, the British Grand Prix. So again, that's about Donington Park. Good photo. Right, let's see what we're doing in this one. Right, let me find. Perfect. Here we go. So, let's open this. Oh, nearly still on the floor. Okay. That is well heavy. It's a proper thing. What's it called? Swing arm axle. Interesting. And then we've got that baby knot. Look. Perfect. Okay. Right. Let's see. Step 1. In this session, you will join the two halves of the twin-spar frame. First thing to do is take the engine frame assembly from the previous session, which is this. This is based on the left side of the frame, so the engine frame assembly laying on the worktop as shown in step 2, locating the housing near the front of the frame, which is circled in the photo there. Insert the knot supplied with issue 42 part B onto the housing as shown. Okay, so that's this one. Yeah, issue 42. So that came with that one into the housing. So they've got it. I knew I'd find it eventually. So that goes in there. Interesting, that's going to fall out, but we'll see. Take the right side of the frame, part A, from issue 42 and fit it over the engine frame assembly, aligning the mounting holes as indicated by the arrows. So there, look. Excellent. In order for the frame to fit flush, you will also need to ensure that the ends of the top and bottom braces fit into the corresponding sockets in the right side of the frame. Also check that the nut you fitted in step 1 has slotted into the housing in the right side of the frame. Ooh. Okay. Move that out of the way. Move this over here. They've got it that way. I'm going to hold the knot. Actually, I'm going to put the knot in there. That'll be easier, I think. And that goes. That's knotted on. Alright, that goes there. Okay. Right, I'm going to have to turn it so we can see what I'm doing. I'm going to put that in there first. And that. Perfect, that's it. Yes. Wow, look at that. Oh my god. Step 3. Start to secure the right side of the frame by inserting 2 tight V Allen screws, part C, from the issue 42. So is this one? Yeah. Into holes shown. Only do them up loosely at this stage. We need my little Allen key. It's tiny. Right, where are they showing that? So we're there. It's these two. There. Right. Right. That's my little cup. Ah! Look at the really photo. Right, so one goes in there. need to lift. Okay, 2. That's all straight, but that's not straight. Look at that. The knot's out. Yeah, that's tight. That's tight. That's tight. What else did I do? No. That's tight. Yeah. Right. Parts. Final result. Your Yamaha sturdy twin-spar frame is complete with the engine snugly housed between the right and left sides. Retain the parts you received with this issue for a future assembly session. Look at that. How amazing is that? Fucking hell. We're getting there. Wow. I love it. It's brilliant. So, how do I put that down now? I'll put it that way. Perfect. So, that is issue 43 done. And it's been a pleasure. And I will really look forward to seeing you for video 15 when that box comes. And we thank you for being with me today. So if you've enjoyed it, please subscribe, like and share, and hit that bell so that you get a reminder when these come out. And have a good couple of weeks. Thanks a lot. Bye.